Today we're going to make a crochet honeysuckle flower. Hi, I'm Rosanna from Moara Crochet, and in today's video I am going to be sharing with you the next free crochet birth flower for June, which is the honeysuckle. And in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to make the honeysuckle flower. As per usual, there is a full written photo tutorial which can be accessed from down below, and from there you can also access my other free crochet patterns and crochet knowledge. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It helps me with the algorithm and encourages me to share more crochet content with you. So, let's get started. Row 1, make a magic circle and chain 1. Now add 6 single crochets into the magic circle. Close the magic circle. Rows 2 to 6, add a single crochet in each stitch. Row 7, chain 6. Now add 3 half double crochets into the second chain from the hook. Followed by 4 single crochet. And slip stitch into the next stitch. Row 8, single crochet in the next 4 stitches. Then add a slip stitch into the next stitch. And turn. Row 9, add a single crochet increase into the first stitch. Followed by 2 single crochet. And a single crochet increase. Now turn. Rows 10 and 11, add a single crochet in each stitch and turn. Row 12, your pattern will be chain 2, add 3 half double crochets into the second chain from the hook. And slip stitch into the next 2 stitches. Now repeat that one more time. Next, chain 2, add 3 half double crochets into the second chain from the hook. And slip stitch into the next stitch. Now fasten off and weave in your ends. To add the stamen, cut a piece of yarn 20 centimeters in length and fold in half as shown. Now fold in half once more. Insert the crochet hook through the magic circle as shown and pick up the folded yarn. Pull one thread to the base as shown. Insert the tail into the loop. Next, insert your hook into the center of the flower to the magic circle as shown. Pick up the thread and pull through the flower. Cut each thread to a slightly different length. Once you've made a collection of flowers, cut a 40 centimeter piece of florist wire, insert into the base of each flower, ensuring all the flowers are in the same direction. Now fold the wire in half. Thread 2 meters of green thread onto a tapestry needle and thread through the base of the flowers as shown. Now wrap the yarn around the wire as shown. Fold the tips to create a smooth end. And continue wrapping the yarn to the end of your stem and fasten off and weaving your ends. If you would like the full PDF pattern with the leaves, I'll leave a link down below of where you can access these patterns. I hope you've enjoyed this flower tutorial. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next crochet video. Bye!